Hey guys! This morning I got a message from my best friend Hillary, and she said that tomorrow she's gonna try to stop by our place, drop off a couple things on our front porch, wave to us, so I'm so excited about that. That made my day. I decided I want to make something for her too. I'm gonna make the one thing I know how to make, banana muffins. Put some bananas together with like some baking stuff. I looked up a super simple recipe online. Yeah, I want to surprise her with those. Like super banana-y, there's little chunks in there, which I like. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of milk or water to like get not so thick. Where are cupcake liners? Cupcake liners. Ooh, are these some? Yes, and there's like red ones too, so I can pick my color. I think I'm gonna do red. I think red's cuter. So this is the mixture now. There's the liners. I don't know how many it's gonna end up being, so I'm just gonna fill it and see. They're done. Let's try to poke one and see. Oh yeah, that's definitely done. This one's kind of overflowing, but they smell so good. I'm so excited to give them to her. Kept them in this cute little container, Hillary and Steven, which is her boyfriend. And this is them all packed up. Yay, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna put them on my front step so she can just grab them. Yeah. Hi guys! The next morning, and I just got ready a little bit. I just put on a little bit of makeup and did my hair. I got the muffins ready for Hillary. I just put them in a little to-go box. So yeah, now I'm pretty much just gonna do some editing and wait for her to come by. It's super exciting that I get to see her, but also kind of sad, I feel like, because I don't get to actually like run up to her and hug her like I normally do. We're just kind of like waving at each other from further off. Kind of bittersweet, like, because all I'm gonna want to do is give her a hug and spend the entire day with her, because that's normally what we do, and we always feel like it's not enough time. Like we enjoy spending time together so much, so it's been really hard. The good thing is, at least thanks to technology, we actually get to like video chat each other every day basically, and like several times a day we'll send each other like video clips of stuff we're doing or making. So there's a bunny in my backyard. Oh, hi. We're lucky, we have lots of bunnies in our yard all the time. They're my favorite animal. Oh, he's gonna go. Now we are at Walmart. Again, just went in to grab a couple things that we need. So yeah, Jonah's just grabbing like bread and like essentials. I'm just waiting to have coffee with me. No, it's not actually Starbucks. I just made it at home in my Starbucks cup. So yeah, I'm gonna have that. Also guys, it's pretty cloudy today. So after we got back from Walmart, I made a quick fried rice. I have dal going, which is like lentil soup. This is my rice and my dal. It's the same type of fried rice as I've made before, with just like some frozen veggies and onions. With my dal, I put yellow lentils, red lentils, some canned tomatoes, and I put eggplant, and there's little bits of broccoli in there as well that was starting to go bad, so I just cleaned it up and threw it in here. That is my dinner today. Now I decided I'm going to take a bubble bath with one of my new bath bombs, but instead of showing it in here, I'm planning to do like a whole bath bomb review video. So if you want to see what the bath bombs turn out like, then I'm gonna have that in a separate video. So as you guys can tell from my bath, I was also burning that stupid Project Pan candle that I've been trying to use up, and it still sucks. Just an update. So I finished my bath and I started filming my bath bomb review video stuff. So that's exciting. This morning I started making some curry, and it just has chickpeas and like some canned tomatoes and onions. I'm gonna let that like simmer down a bit and just finish cooking it. I don't have any like rice or anything to eat with it, so I'm gonna make a little bit of rice. So this is what I'm having as like my lunch. I'm having rice with a bunch of sour cream. So that's what I do with curry, chickpea curry that I just made, and a little bit of leftover potato curry from yesterday. Very yummy. You guys, check out my green onion plant. This was literally just a couple pieces of green onion. I just had to refill the water because it keeps drinking it all, and I'm so excited. You can see parts where like the old green onion is like flaking off. The little ones growing outside of the middle of them. Like there's a bunch of baby ones that have started growing, and this thing is like so much longer and fuller than when it's first started. Like a third of this that was left, and now I have all this growing and I love it. And I just keep adding water to this little jar. I'm so proud of my little plant. Like it's growing so well, and it's literally so stupid because it's green onion. Like it's not some fancy flower that I bought. It's like something going bad in my fridge. We're back home now. I'm drinking my Starbucks. Jonah's fixing like tail lights or brake lights or something in my car. I don't know. I'm not really a car person. I don't know anything about cars. Thank God he'll fix that for me. So I'm gonna be a spoiled brat and noticed that my plant, Billy, has drank a lot of water today. Like a lot.